Welcome to JH. In this guide, I will show you how to resolve issues with Steam Remote Play not connecting or functioning correctly. These steps are very simple and will only take about 5 minutes of your time. Let's get started. First, we will try the most common troubleshooting method, restarting your PC and the Steam client. Although it seems basic, a full restart clears out temporary bugs and resets the system state. Once your computer and Steam have rebooted, try using Remote Play again to see if it functions. If a restart doesn't fix it, you should manually terminate the app via Task Manager. On a Windows PC, you can open this by hitting Ctrl plus Shift plus Escape or by right-clicking the taskbar and choosing Task Manager. Find the Steam process in the list, highlight it, and select the End Task button. This fully shuts down the application and stops any problematic background processes. Afterward, log back into your account to see if the issue is gone. Our next phase involves checking for software updates. Navigate to the main menu and look for any pending Steam client updates. Keeping your software updated is vital for fixing known bugs. Additionally, go to your library and check if the specific game you are trying to stream needs an update. Game-specific patches often resolve compatibility problems with the Remote Play feature. If you are enrolled in the Steam client beta, that might be the source of the instability. To leave the program, go to Steam, enter Settings, and click on the Account section. Under the Beta Participation heading, click Change and select the option to opt out. Returning to the standard, stable version of Steam often fixes these errors. While you are still in the settings, head over to the Remote Play tab. Find the setting labeled Enable Hardware Decoding and disable it. In many instances, hardware decoding conflicts with certain systems, so turning it off can restore your stream. Lastly, always verify your internet connection. A consistent and high-speed connection is mandatory for streaming games effectively. Ensure your network is stable and free of connectivity drops. By following these instructions, you should fix any Steam Remote Play errors. Remember that patience and a methodical approach are key to tech troubleshooting. Thanks for watching, and I hope your games are now streaming perfectly. If you found this helpful, please like the video and subscribe for more tips. Happy gaming!